Hi, I'm Dr. Sassy. If you're struggling with sudden bladder leaks or frequent urges to pee, your diet might be playing a bigger role than you think. Some foods and drinks like coffee, soda, and artificial sweeteners can overstimulate your bladder or make it spasm. Even healthy items like tomatoes and citrus can irritate the bladder lining for some people. Caffeine and salt push more fluid into the bladder quickly, often overwhelming the muscles and making accidents more likely. And watch out for sweeteners like aspartame or sucralose. They can make your bladder twitch too. A great place to start is by keeping a food and drink diary to spot your personal triggers. Swap out coffee for herbal tea, processed snacks for whole foods, and try not to drink fluids close to bedtime. Add bladder-friendly foods like bananas, oats, and leafy greens, and try eating smaller, regular meals to ease pressure on your bladder. If diet changes help, that's fantastic. If not, don't be discouraged. Safe and effective treatments, including minimally invasive surgery, can offer lasting control.